What a beautiful day. I'm here at Tata Falls outside of Kampot. It's about a 15-20 minute drive on the moped. Here with a bunch of friends and really beautiful. Check this place out. So they've got all these little huts and everybody rents a hut. I don't remember if it was $5 each for a hut. Entry was $2.50 per moto. Hello, Sustai. So what they've done, so the bigger waterfall, Tada, apparently is far upstream. And then here, they've blocked it off. They've built cement blocking and dammed it up. And then making a waterfall here. There's a series, I think, 4 waterfalls. I'll walk over there and show you. Oh. So all the motorbikes had to be parked way down there. I see that they're renting tubes. I don't know what the story is there. And there's also restaurants here, like food, ladies and families making food, and they will deliver it to your hut, and bags of fruit. And we had ordered a whole cooked chicken, vegetable dish, some beer. It'll probably, the total cost of the food and the beer, everything will probably be about $15. That's for 5 people. About that. Even if it's 20, it's still really good. So you can see, oh, I don't mind those hats. See here, there's people cooking, and then they're going to bring that food up to all these huts. There was a lot of people too. They bring coolers. Why not, right? So you can see down there, you can see the rocks. Oh, I can't zoom in. But anyway, it goes back to natural here, down there. Sustai, how are you? Good, thank you. Okun? I'm good, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okun? Everybody's really nice. I haven't had a whole lot of problems here in general in Cambodia. I really haven't. It's been pleasant. Look at the surroundings, eh? All the dragonflies. Beautiful trees. So that's it. Have an awesome day.